Hey everybody, welcome back to the den. This episode we are here for our Goodwill finds of the week. And what a week it was, that's all I can say. For months and months I've been complaining about how I couldn't find any Diecast cars at any of the Goodwills around here. Well, we had a brand new one open up last Thursday right here about a half mile from my house. It's the first screen opening I've ever been to for Goodwill, and yeah, probably the last. Because yeah, it was a freaking madhouse, it was a zoo. We stood in line for probably close to 45 minutes waiting to get to the cash register. That's how bad it was. The other thing that was my biggest complaint was that there was a lot of price gouging going on. They know that they're always busy for their grand opening. You know, most stores you get a bag of cars that's got 5, 6, 7 cars in it for like $350, $450 maybe. You know what cars they are sometimes. They were doing bags of cars, 5 used cars, for $750. That was, I might as well go to Walmart and buy them brand new. If it wasn't for the fact that I wanted some of the specific ones that, were older castings. But because they'd been so scarce lately, I bought some anyway. Then, my wife wanted to go to a different Goodwill than we normally go to, so we went there, and they had bags of cars for like $450, $550. They were cheaper than the Goodwill that just opened, and they had more cars in them. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. These are all the new ones from the new store. Yeah, I spent a lot. Let's take a gander here. I spent $42.94 on cars. That was just at the one store. It's not counting the other store. So yeah, my limo OCD kick in. I kind of went overboard with it, but I got the cars. I remember this one right offhand because it's the McDonald's dragster. I wanted that one because I've got a set of McDonald's cars. They were like all race cars and dragsters and stuff. Yeah, there's the $750 price tag. You can read it. There it goes. Yeah, I was astounded when I saw the price tag and saw there's only 5 cars in each one. I'm like, they're asking as much for the used ones as they are for brand new ones. Nothing surprises me with Goodwill anymore. The sad part is they probably got them all donated. And they're still charging $750 for 5 of them. This is the one that everybody's going to love here. This has a special car in it. Did anybody see what it was? It's Elon's. Yeah, there's a Cybertruck in it. Alright, let's see what we got here. Muscle machines. Well, it's not a high raker, but the Woody. Sorry about the dog. Like that one. Evil Twin. Got us a Hummer. Maestro. Yeah. Not a big Maestro fan. There's an old school Porsche. It's from the 90s. You can tell because of the wheels. I like that one. That's a new Roger Dodger. Roger Dodger, yep. That was actually in pretty nice shape, too. That'd be a good custom. I like this one, too. Atlanta Police. It's got rear riders on it. And it's a Hot Wheel. It's not every kind of treasure hunt or anything on it, does it? Can't really tell. It's all beat up. I don't see any flames or anything. I'll have to look that one up just to see, because it has Pro Riders on it. Might just be a premium casting. Ooh. SRT? Dodge Viper? No, this is Honda S2000. Very Viperish looking. This is kind of cool. This is definitely cool. It's slammed. But it's got a broken windshield. I'll have to see if I can come up with some kind of windshield for that. Ferrari. Just pop open. That pops up and back. Ooh. What was that? Some kind of crusty, some kind of glue or something. It's not broke or anything, so I don't know what the glue is for. That'd be a fun one too. Got several of these. Jeep. It's cheap China car. That's garbage. What the hell? That's another cheap China thing. Garbage. Motor Max. Kind of beat up, but who knows? Put some new tires and rims on it and a paint job. It might be alright. Wonder Woman. Hot Wheels 2019 DC Comics. It's actually in good shape. Put that over on my wall. Got a little area over there of different themes. What's this one? This one looks interesting. It's a Ferrari. That's 2001. It's not as old as I thought it was. Saw the fake black walls or whatever and thought it was older than that. But it's still pretty cool looking. Good custom. Corvette. Stingray, yep. These, I hate these. These are new castings. God, they're ugly. But the motor would be good for something else. And I don't want to say it's Viper now until I look at them. This one I can't even read. Daimler Chrysler, so yeah, that's a Viper. It's not very good representation, if you ask me. It's really short. Dodge Vipers tend to look a little long when you look at them. Blah, blah. This one I like, except for the wings busted off, so that'd be a custom. I want to do some more wing cars. I haven't done any lately. Lambo. This might be alright for parts or whatever. Actually, they're even not that great. What is this? Metal Machines. Nah, I don't want it. Alright, so that was that. Not a whole lot. Nothing spectacular. Unlike the stuff from eBay yesterday. Other than the Cybertruck, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and toss these over to the side, and we'll get to the big bag. Turns out I didn't have enough room and I didn't hit the start button when I was going through it, so yeah. I ended up going through the whole second bag myself, sorting out all of the kids' toys, etc. But this is what I came up with. The right side is all stuff that I will actually plan on using for one thing or another. Some of them on the left I may use, but it doesn't have any definite plans other than maybe this one for gas lands of some sort. But other than that, you know, those are cannon fodder. He can get away playing those for now if he wants. And then all these will be ones that I keep out for special stuff. So yeah, it was a really good haul between the two stores and eBay, etc. this week. Yeah, I probably got 150 cars, 200 cars, something like that. So yeah, I'll be in business for a while. Well, that's it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next week, that's all, folks. Bye now.